We're going to begin our discussion of getting data from the internet with IPUMS. IPUMS is a collection of databases from the Minnesota Population Center. We're going to start with IPUMS CPS, the Current Population Survey, but you may have occasion to use IPUMS International, IPUMS USA, or the Integrated Health Interview Series. The first thing to do with IPUMS is to get an account, and to do that you need to just fill out a really simple form. Go to Login, and at Login you can request an account. So I'm going to put in a dummy name here, and bear with me. So we're going to put in a name, put a password in, submit it. Then you're going to answer a bunch of questions. Put in your institution and answer these questions. Go ahead, and in the research project you're going to want to say something like, I'm taking econometrics at Wabash College and using this to download data, something like that. You've got to get over 25 words. Answer the question about health-related research. Then you've got to check that you agree with a whole bunch of things here, including that you're going to use this for good, never for evil. Submit the registration information. I'm not going to do so because I don't really want to create such an account. So let's go back to IPUMS CPS, and I'm going to tell you a few things about this before we stop for this lesson. Let's go to Browse and select Data. First thing to note here is there are several different places that you can be here. You can select variables. There are household variables, there are person variables. We'll come back to all these. There are variables listed from A to Z. There are variables you can type in search terms. But first let's look at the samples. So the samples are, for the CPS, I believe they go all the way back to 1962. The first few sets of samples are for the March Current Population Survey. That's the survey which asks the largest number of questions typically during the year, and the most comprehensive look at income and employment and other characteristics of the population occurs in the March survey. After 1993, you can get access to any one of the basic monthly surveys in the Current Population Survey. I'll mention parenthetically that there are supplemental surveys not available in IPUMS but available in another place, the National Bureau of Economic Research, and we'll be looking at those guys later. So do not select all samples. That's a very bad idea because it would be an immense amount of data, even if you're just restricting yourself to a very few variables. Typical choice might be to select the most recent March survey, so that would be the March 2012 survey. I'm going to go back, submit the sample selections, then I'm going to begin to select variables. And to show you the entire process, we're going to come back and take a closer look at this. Let me just go to core demographic and select, I'm going to select age and sex, and that's just it. And then I'm going to go to view cart. My cart contains a bunch of extraneous information, the year, serial number, some weights. We'll talk about weights later on, but to get accurate estimates of the population, you need to apply the weights. The month, so we've got 2012, March. There's another weight here, age and sex, and these are going to be our variables, and we're going to be creating a data extract from this. So very quickly, we're going to change the structure of the data extract, and click on this, and you'll see that we can select a Stata data set. Submit that, and we can go to select that data set. So that's it for now. We'll be coming back to this soon.